Jason here from Lowe and Rhodes Motorhomes. What a cool panel van we've got today. This is an AutoTrail Tribute. It's fixed single beds at the back, not something you see very often in panel vans, at least in my experience. This is a really nice model in great condition. It's got some cool features. We're going to walk around, do a little bit of a video tour and show you around it. Now this is available for sale. If you go to our website, which is in the description below, all the details about this, details about us, everything like that is just all below. Now back to this. This is a 2016 model, Tribute 680. Impressive spec, but really it's the inside layout which is a standout feature. I mean, you've got your canopy on here, your TV, your microwave, 3-berth, but it has 4 travel seats. So in the front, you've got the dual captain chairs, and then also your seat belts just to the side, just there. The dinette table will pack away, so you'll open it up. But really, the big standout in this is the back end. You've got 2 fixed single beds. I can't remember the last panel van I saw exactly like this. I mean, we had a CV in a little while ago that had a French bed, but to have 2 single beds like this is, in fact, it's awesome. It's raised a little bit, so you've got some nice storage underneath. Of course, it opens at the back. You'll notice down below you've got a couple of steps. The advantage of that is underneath the mattress, you've got storage. In fact, storage is quite good in here. You've got these overhead cabinets that go right the way along, and they're actually locked in, so when you're driving you can have minimal rattle in here. Of course, you've got your big barn doors on the back. I'm going to open them up just in a second, but check that out. That's a really nice bedroom. Feels cozy in here for a panel van. And then, of course, something I'm going to point out is on your passenger side, on this wall, there's no window. So it's giving you that privacy, and it's making more of a bedroom of it than I think it would be if it had it. You've got your privacy blinds opposite, so you put that up, and voila, how nice is that? You've got some little lockers just down below, as well as overhead. It's nice. Now, in here, of course, you've got your kitchen area with your fridge just here. We're going to open that up. Down below, you've got your Thetford duplex. 2 gas burners, as well as your sink just in there. In your fridge, you've got your little box here with your freezer cool box just there, which is, it's compact for sure, but the motorhome itself, the panel van, is only 6.3 metres long, so you're getting a lot in here. On the other side, I've got the sliding door, which has this nice cosy bathroom with your toilet and your shower, mirror just up at the top, and another storage locker. Now that has a little curtain which will weave all the way around here to help you with that wetness in there, but to tell you the absolute truth, I don't know how much you're going to need it. This is a 3-berth, so 2 at the back. Then your third you can make your bed here. I think this is more for perhaps a child or somebody smaller. You know, you don't get too big just there. 2 travel seats, and then on the front we're on the Fiat Ducato. It's a 6-speed manual. It's a 2016 2.3 litre engine, 130 brake horsepower on a vehicle of this size, which is under 3.5 tonne. That's going to be adequate power in here. It's going to feel a nice comfortable drive. You got aircon and cruise control, as well as your FM AM radio, which is Bluetooth enabled. So that's the inside. TV up at the top, and you can also put a TV in the bedroom. You've got your 5-spoke alloy wheels. You've got this nice silver colour to it. I'll show you around the back and get these barn doors open to show you. So that just opens like that, exposed in the back. You've got some access hatches in the back of the beds for storage, and you've actually got that raised floor area just down here. Have a look at that. That's really smart design, in my opinion, from AutoTrail. It gives you a nice long way. I mean, in here, you'll see you've got some chocks and a reserved motorhome sign, but you could put plenty of things in there quite comfortably. This gives you access to your gas bottles, and here you've got space for 2 6kg, tucked away quite smartly. That's your canopy winder. It's really quite nice, and this is with the back doors open. So this gives you a little bit of a brief feel for the motorhome, the panel van. It's here, it's available for sale. For full details, do go to our website, give us a call, pop us a message, it's available for sale. Thank you for watching, a bit of a shorter one today, just like this. But if you like it, pop a comment. Always remember to subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.